I'll explain the overhaul procedure of the fuel injection pump. Handle the fuel injection pump with care because it has been made precisely in order to display a combustion and governor performance. Prepare the exclusive tool to overhaul the engine. First, remove the related pipes and components. Secondly, loosen the bolt of the delivery valve. Next, loosen the fuel injection pump nut with a dedicated socket wrench and remove the pump. I'll explain the disassembly procedure of the fuel injection pump. Disassemble the fuel injection pump as the picture you are watching in the video. Prepare the exclusive tool to overhaul the fuel injection pump. Turn the fuel injection pump to 180 degrees on the table and set the exclusive tool to the draw-out plunger guide on the rear side of the flange in the fuel injection pump body. Turn the support bolt of the dedicated tool clockwise and depress the plunger into the plunger guide. With the plunger depressed, remove the plunger guide stopper circlip. Raise the plunger guide by the spring force, then turning the support bolt counterclockwise. Be able to remove the plunger guide, spring sheet, plunger, spring, retainer, and pinion together after detaching tool. Detach the rack lock bolt and remove the rack. Next, remove the deflectors in the center of the fuel injection pump. There are two deflectors. Next, detach the support bolt of the delivery valve. Remove the delivery valve and square ring. Be careful not to lose any of the parts of the delivery valve because they are very small. Finally, detach the bolt of the barrel holder and remove the barrel from the pump body. There is an O-ring equipped at the barrel position of the fuel injection pump, so make sure to remove it. The disassembly of the fuel injection pump is completed. Wash the disassembled parts and check for abnormality. Be careful not to damage them during washing. After checking, reassemble with the necessary parts. Replace all O-rings. Reassemble the fuel injection pump in reverse order for disassembly. Assemble the barrel body. Tighten the bolts of the barrel guard and of the delivery valve evenly in 3 steps by the specified torque. Next, install the deflectors on both sides. Align the set marks of the rack, pinion, and plunger. Pay attention to set the marks and assemble them. Equip the rack and fit the stopper bolt of the rack. Turn the pump 180 degrees and install the pinion on the fuel injection pump. At this time, make sure align to set the mark of the rack and of pinion. Insert the spring and retainer. Next, insert the plunger. Make sure to align the set mark of the pinion and the plunger. After applying lube oil on the outside of the plunger guide, insert it into the fuel injection pump temporarily. Set the inserting tool of the plunger guide. In the same procedure as drawing out plunger guide, turn the pushing bolt of the exclusive tool clockwise and push the plunger guide. Then install the retainer and fix the plunger guide. Align the retainer cut with body notch and finish. After assembly, check if the rack moves smoothly. Install the fuel injection pump to the engine body with a tightening nut. Return each pipe to its original condition. After the procedure, check for the timing of fuel injection and bleed air. Check of injection timing is as the following procedure. Turn the flywheel and align the marked off line on the body of the fuel injection pump, with it on the plunger guide. The scale graduation pointed out by the flywheel pointer at the time indicates the fuel injection timing. Also, overhaul the pump driver every 8,000 to 10,000 hours.